Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair Yardforce X50i with the Android smartphone. And to do this, first you will need to download an app called Mower. I have it right here. You can find it on a Google Play Store or any other store that you're using on your smartphone. Now we can open the app. Inside you might need to log in or create an account and then allow all of the permissions that will pop up on your screen. Here we can press on the plus button and this should instantly transfer us to the scan QR code step, and the QR code is located on the left side of the lawnmower, right here where I'm pointing with my finger. So now I'm just gonna scan it. So I've just scanned the QR code, and the next step is to enter Wi-Fi pairing mode. That means you will need the Wi-Fi access outside, because probably that's where you're using your lawnmower. So to enter the pairing mode, you will need to power on your device, and the power switch is located underneath right here. You can also check our video on how to power on or off this device. And it's located right here. When you click on it, all of the buttons inside the panel should start blinking, and we can click on this stop right there to release the hatch. And now to enter Wi-Fi pairing mode, we'll need to enter PIN. And if your device is brand new, the default PIN should be 4 times 0. You can see all of the numbers in the bottom right corner corresponding to the PIN. And now we're gonna press on 4H 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. This should unlock the panel. And now to enter pairing mode, click on the Wi-Fi sign and hold it for 5 seconds. You should also hear the bing like this. And then we can click on the next step in in the app. Enter the Wi-Fi password in the pool right here. And here it is, our device connecting with the app. And now we've successfully connected the lawnmower with the app. Enter the name and confirm. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.